Start by replacing or upgrading HVAC register covers so they match new bathroom flooring and elevate the room without disrupting airflow. Measure the existing registers carefully before buying replacements, measuring both the visible grille and the inner duct opening to ensure a snug fit. Choose materials that complement the new flooring, such as white or off-white painted steel to match ceramic tiles, anodized aluminum for modern stone looks, or powder-coated steel in a coordinating color for vinyl and luxury vinyl plank. For bathrooms, pick rust-resistant finishes like powder coating or stainless steel to withstand humidity and occasional water exposure. If you want a seamless look, consider paintable metal or primed wood frames that you can color match to baseboards or tile trim, and use high-quality primer and semi-gloss paint to resist moisture and cleaning. When installing, remove the old screws and any paint buildup from the duct lip, seat the new register carefully so it sits flush, and use foam sealant or high-quality silicone at the outer edge only if you need to stop drafts without blocking airflow. For adjustable registers, make sure the damper moves freely after installation and test airflow by holding a light tissue near the grille to confirm even distribution. Common mistakes include ordering the wrong size, which leads to gaps or forced fit. To avoid this, always measure the actual duct opening and the visible cover dimensions and measure twice. Another issue is choosing a finish that corrodes in humid bathrooms. Select rust-resistant materials or keep a spare for quick replacement if corrosion starts. A third problem is blocking airflow with excessive sealing or thick paint, which reduces heating and cooling efficiency. Maintain the inner opening clear and use only thin coatings designed for registers. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors who work on vent covers and bathroom finish upgrades, and we provide a discussion community where users and professionals share photos, tips, and local recommendations. We connect contractors with projects in their area and give homeowners a place to ask questions and compare ideas.